Welcome to What's Printing. Got the desiccant storage that I was printing for the AMS 2 Pro. It really wasn't a ton of layer lines left that the failure was on, but I think this one is able to be used. So I'm going to take this and think I can pull off an extra filament, maybe even cut it off, and get back to something usable that I can actually put into the AMS. And I think with that, I mean, there you can see again, here's the amount, right? It wasn't a lot of layer lines. It's just a few there. Maybe even turn it around to this side. Makes it a little easier to see. Get that all lined up for you. You know, it's not a lot. I think it kicked it out about right there on that high ridge. So that's when it got kicked out and moved back. So, you know, with that, you can see what we've got. So with that, I think this will still fit in here. So we can slide this in just to give it a test. And yeah, the lid still fits on there pretty well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get these filled up and get them ready to put up into the AMS. And, you know, we'll still be missing the center. It's funny, I decided not to print one with the spot for the hygrometer. Maybe I'll print a new one with it, just because only one failed. Maybe I'll add the little base to that. We'll see what I decide to do when I reprint that. But honestly, you could start with 4 out of the 5, and I don't think that'll be too bad. So I'll get these all there. I mean, I even have an extra lid. So what I also made to fill these up, I think it's just a piece of paper, a couple of them wrapped up and done like this, so make it pretty easy to fill up. I have the dry orange desiccant. My research says that's the better one to get for how less hazard it is. The way that they're supposed to slide on is pretty easy. It's like that. I've already made the mistake once. I pushed here to open it. Obviously you want to pull from there. That's where you have more strength in this print. I printed these in gray PETG. You know, it's not perfect, but what do I need this to do? I need it to let air through. So I think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna fill up the rest of these and we'll go from there. Something to note with these ones here, it's a little harder to tell which way. On one end, it's completely flat. On the other end, you can see the channels just barely. It's hard to see, but you'll be able to see that one end has the channels such that you can actually put it into there. So with that, you know, we'll close this up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5, so I'll count that as a pretty good success for printing those. Thanks for watching What's Printing. If this has been helpful for you today, please consider subscribing.